Hello students, today we will continue our 10th chapter.
Inserting special characters. A character which is not found on a standard keyboard is called a special character. For example, these are the special characters. These are not available on your keyboard. To insert a special character, follow the procedure given. Place the cursor in your document where you want a special character to be inserted. Go to Insert menu and select Special Character. The Special Characters dialog box will be opened. Select the characters to be inserted in order, then click OK. The selected characters will appear in the lower left side of the dialog box. At the same time, for a selected character, the character will be displayed along with its code on the lower right corner of the special character dialog box. Formatting paragraph. Formatting paragraph is the most common requirement in creation of any document, and therefore it is most widely used feature of any word processor. Several options in the form of buttons are available for formatting paragraph in Writer. Figure 10.7 shows some of these options. If you open Style and Formatting window, you will have different options like Paragraph, Style, Text, Body, etc. Paragraph styles can be used for formatting paragraph. Opening font window will give us different fonts for choice. We can select the desired. Font size can be set from font size window. By clicking on A, the bold effect can be made on off for selected text. If the text is not selected, the effect will be from the cursor position. Similarly, A is for italic style and A underline is for having the underline effect for selected text. For alignment, you have 4 effects. See figure 10.8 for this effect. Now see figure 10.7. You can see here, open Style and Formatting window, apply style. By default it is default style. Opening font window, here you can open your font window. Opening font size window, this is your font size. Then if you want bold text, click on first A. If you want italic text, click on middle A. If you want underlined text, then select this underline A. For alignment, click left align, center align, right align, and this is your justified. For this, using numbering, you can use numbering on off. For using bullets, you can use bullet on off. For increment indent and decrement indent, you can use these two icons. For font color, to change the color of your font, you can use this font color option. For highlighting your text, you can use the highlighter. For background color, you can use this background color icon. Alignment. You can see your left alignment, right alignment, central alignment, justification alignment. By using these icons, you can use alignments in different forms. Next two options are for numbering and bulleting. Numbers or bullet can be inserted in the beginning of each paragraph for the selected text. Numbering option allows us to change the style of numbering. You can use 1, 2, 3 normal numbers, or you can use Roman uppercase numbers. You can in fact use Roman lowercase and uppercase number and ABCD also for numbering purpose. Similarly, using bullet option, we can change the symbols for bulleting. Next two options are decreasing and increasing indents, respectively, for the current or selected paragraph. Font color is set using font color option. The selected text can be highlighted with the help of text option called highlighting. The last option will allow us to change the background color of the selected text. When using justified text, the last line of paragraph is aligned to the left. This is the main point you have to remember. It can be asked in your MCQ also, that using justified text, the last line of paragraph is aligned to the left. Creating numbered or bulleted list. To create a numbered or bulleted list, select the paragraph in the document and then choose either numbering icon or bulleting icon on the format toolbar shown in figure 10.7. As per your requirement, if you select numbering or bulleting icon before typing, it will apply automatically while typing. A nested list of numbering or bulleting can also be created. For this, you have to choose appropriate option from bullets and numbering toolbar shown in figure 10.9. Alternatively, if you press tab key in the beginning of the line, the nested list is created. You can see here bullet on off, numbering on off, numbering, promote one level, demote one level. These are few of the icons we will discuss here. If you create a nested list using the predefined style, all the levels of the list up to 10 apply the same numbering or bullet. However, in many circumstances, you want to use a combination of numbering formats and bullets when creating nested list. Such list with mixture of numbering formats and bullets are also possible. By pressing the bullets and numbering option, last option in figure 10.9, the bullets and numbering dialog box will be displayed. You can select the desired one as shown in figure 10.10. Here you can see bullets option is selected, numbering type is selected, then outlines is selected and position is selected. Checking spelling and grammar. Spelling checker is available in Writer. Spell check. Spelling checker checks each word as we type it. Writer puts a red line under any misspelled words. The red line will disappear if it is corrected or ignored by selecting ignore option available on pressing right click. If you don't know the correct spelling, right click on the word with a red underline. Possible suggested word will appear with several menu options. If you select any word from suggested word, the misspelled word in your text will be replaced by the word you have selected. Writer at times will identify a correct spelling as wrong word. This happens because non-availability of the word in the Writer dictionary. You can add words in the Writer dictionary. For example, it may happen that you need to type your company name frequently in a document. If you type your company name, obviously it will be shown as misspelled as it is not there in the Writer dictionary. When a red line is shown under the word company name, just right click and select add option. The name of your company will be added in the dictionary. Then onwards, the name of your company will be treated as a correct word. To perform a separate spelling check on the document or as a text selection, click ABC button. This checks the document or selection and opens the spelling and grammar dialog box as shown in figure 10.11. If any misspelled word are found, choose the correct option from the dialog box. The misspelled word will automatically be replaced with selected one. Here you can see that Subhash is a brave boy. He fought continuously for the country. So instead of Subhash, S-U-B-H-A-S, we have to replace it with S-U-B-H-A-S. So correct word will be replaced. Is that clear? Here you can change language. You can ignore the misspelled word once or every such occurrence in the document, or you can change the misspelled word by selecting word from suggestion. For example, in figure 10.11, Subhash is the name of person, but since it does not exist in Writer dictionary, it is considered as misspelled. We can select either ignore once or ignore all. It is possible to add this word in the dictionary if it will be reused as mentioned above. Other options can also be used as per our requirements. Now,
Thank you for listening. In our next video, we will see using synonyms and thesaurus. Till then, take care.